What's going on, everybody? Cryptip Helper back again with another video, and I just wanted to do another update on Grape Finance. So where are we at the moment with Grape Finance? But first of all, guys, as you can see on the subscriber button, we're up to 309 now, so we're growing steadily, which is very great. If you're new to the channel, could you go down to the bottom right and hit that subscribe button? I would really appreciate it. Also hit the likes to get the algorithms going. And if you're also in Grape Finance and you also know people who are in Grape Finance, please share it with them. But let's just jump into it. And first of all, when we log in, you can see we have a new interface. So a lot of the guys were saying it looks a bit scammy, the old one, so they weren't very happy with it. So Grape Finance decided to upgrade it. So just put in the comments below if you're in Grape Finance, what were your thoughts on the old interface? Me personally, I liked it, but also when this has come along, I certainly like this one too. I like how it's all fabricated. So as you look into the value locked up, we're back down to 6.5 million. This was as high as 9, I believe. But if you look at the market at the moment where it just tanked, this is holding up very well, and its peg and the community behind it. So let's just have a look at the peg at the moment on the charts. So these are the lines that you start worrying about, because when it goes under here, this is when it doesn't print out the money machine. So we've went under, this was on the 12th of May, and quickly come back straight away. We've tested it again underneath, but then again we've fired up, and as you can see, these support lines, we've come above them again, we've burst through and we've retested it again. So let's just see how this goes on the next few days. Hopefully we can start consolidating and stay in this level and just see how we get on. But let's just see how I'm getting on with mine. So as you come into the winery, as you can see, I've got 3.2 wine staking away, and these are my earnings. So as you can see, $31, 28 grapes, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with them shortly. But let's just click onto my nodes. As you know, in the previous video I showed you how to set up a node, which is pretty straightforward, and this has been printing away as well. So there's another $11, and that's the grape node cost, which is 50 grapes, and so on. As you come onto the vineyard, these are my LPs, so I've got grape and MIM and wine and MIM. And basically MIM just stands for Magic Internet Money, as you can see on the logo there. So as you can see on here, $10 I've managed to stake up, but I don't look at the dollar sign, I look at the wine sign. And also in the wine MIM, I've managed to $4, which is 0.02 wine. So what I'm going to do with them, guys, is I'm going to claim these, and I'm going to put them into my wine staking. So I'll just go through this with you guys so you can see. So I'm going to claim these. Hopefully it's not as slow as it was the last time for you, but I can just speed that up. Confirm the transaction fees. Confirm. And that'll give me the $10 worth of wine in my MetaMask wallet. So I'm just going to open this MetaMask wallet because I've got a crypt tip coming for you guys. So I'll open this up. So this is my Trezor, and the account is where I get all me. So I've just done a withdraw there. That'll go into my account too. So the crypt tip helper of the day is, make sure you guys, if you can, get a cold storage wallet. So either a Trezor or a Ledger, and connect it to your MetaMask. So when you do start building wealth, for you to send that, you'd have to confirm it on your laptop, either on your Trezor or your Ledger, whatever's possible. It's entirely up to you what you want to use. Me personally, I use a Trezor. So this will go into my account, the assets, which was the wine, etc. And if I'm not putting it back into the staking, I would instantly put that into my Trezor account, so it's safe, it's cold storage offline. So that was a crypt tip of the day. Just remember, guys, to use a cold storage if you can. But let's just get back into this one. So I'm going to go to my wine MIM, and I'm going to claim these rewards. And the purpose is just to build up your wine as much as possible. because then that'll spit out more grapes for you and you can do more with it. So I'm just waiting for that to claim, and that'll confirm transactions. As you can see, that's gone to 0, and then I'll go to the winery. So you can either claim these or you can add to it. So I'm just going to claim these as well, and I'll show you what I'll do with my grape, just to put back into the grape ecosystem. Keeps it all healthy, keeps it above peg, and it keeps it printing away, which we all want. So I'll just wait for that to confirm. And there's the maximum of my wine, so 0.07. So I'm going to confirm this. Make sure you've got AVAX in your MetaMask for the transaction fees, which isn't that much anyways, but it's always good to have some amount of AVAX in. And with some of these profits, you can just exchange it to AVAX for them fees, just to keep you going. And that's confirmed, and this should go up. Just waiting for it to go up on the blockchain. There's me. This does fluctuate. Like I say, it was up to $15 the other day. It's down to 9.8, but this is a day, so this just keeps printing nicely. I'll just refresh this page. So as you can see, that's 0, 0. 3.3 now is my wine, and obviously it's in there. So now I am going to go to the vineyard, and you can stake grape as well, what you've earned. And there's the 320% a year APR. So I'm going to put all my grape in here, which is only 28.3. I'm going to confirm that. And when you do stake that, you earn more wine. So it's just keeping the whole grape ecosystem healthy. And this will get to a certain point, maybe it's $100, and I'll decide to take it out. I might add some more grape MIM LPs or wine MIM LPs and just keep on building like that. I'll probably take 20% of profits, put that into AVAX and build AVAX, and just keep on rinsing and repeating, and it just keeps the whole ecosystem healthy. So I just want to show you the wine chart while we were waiting for that transaction to go through. So as you can see, since May the 13th, we've been using this as resistance. So we've tried to break through this line once on the 14th, twice on the 16th, and 3 times on the 19th. But there's always a little twist here, because every time we go to break this, eventually it's going to break through. If you keep knocking on the door, eventually it'll open. And this is what wine's been doing since the 13th of May. So we've finally broke through. We broke through it quite convincingly, and we've come back and retested, and this is to be decided. This could either be going up towards the 230 areas. So if you see where I've marked it, this is where the gap is to fill in this big gap. So we could be heading up here, because that's the next resistance. So wine could be headed up towards there. But it's also good just to be careful. I know there's a little bit volume down here, as you can see, but this could be a fake out where we could break back down again and go back down towards the 1, 2, 3 areas. But me personally, I think with the community that we've got, the strength that it's showing in a very bad time during the crash, I think this is a great project with great people, with very intelligent people. And I think people are starting to believe in wine more the longer it proves people wrong. So that's my personal opinion. Now obviously this is not financial advice, this is just for entertainment purposes, but as you can see, we've finally broke out through it. We've come up convincingly, we've retested it, and I would like to see a bit of volume in here and start pushing this back up towards the 226 mark. But like I say, this is just entertainment purposes. Who knows what will happen, but that's my opinion. So guys, just as I want to finish off, this is for you to get involved, where you can get involved with Grape Finance. So if you go on to Twitter and go on to Grape Finance, you can see that they're giving out 2 wine nodes this weekend, which is fantastic. But obviously you can't win it. So it's the people that are in Grape Finance. So you've got to tag someone you feel you deserve it and tell us why they should win it. So guys, in the comments below, write in your Twitter address and tell us why you think you should win these wine nodes, and I will put that into Grape Finance. I will tweet it out, your Twitter address, and I'll give them the reason why you should go for the nodes, and you could possibly win these 2 nodes. So as you can see, go on to Grape Finance, it tells you what the criteria is. But on the comments below on this YouTube channel, write in your Twitter address and tell me in the comments why you think you should be the winner of these, and I will just liaise with Grape Finance. I'll put the reason why, I'll retweet, and you never know, you guys could be part of the Grape Finance community for free and getting in. So it's definitely worth a punt. So yeah, in the comments below, hit that, guys. But that's it for now. Like I say, guys, I'm on to 309 now, so it's growing steadily. If you would like to subscribe, could you hit the bottom right hand side of the screen on the YouTube logo? That would be very, very appreciated. Also hit the like button and share this with your Grape family and friends, and possibly get them involved too. And that is just the end of this video, guys. So until the next one, I shall see you all soon. Take care.